So one day, I'm not sure, last year or 2 years ago, I have one of my senior sister like that normally does program. She will invite me. She likes me to like help be the prayer leader, like person that will start the program, either pray 1 hour or 2 hours. So, and she knows that I love Theophilus Sunday so much. I love Theophilus Sunday, but I've never met him at that time. And so she organized the program with Theophilus Sunday, and the program was going to happen in Jos. Now, this lady is in the US, so she stays in the US. She comes to Nigeria to do program and go back. So she now sent me a message and said, hey Raymond, she sent me a message in December. She now said, Raymond, please, I'll be organizing a program in Jos. Would you be available? I said, ma. He said, would you be available to lead in prayers? I said, ma. Anything when be God saying, I know they talk say no now. And they tell me ahead of time. I say, ma, any program I have in February cancelled. Give me the date. She was so inspired. I'm giving this date for example. She now told, then immediately I agreed. She now said, your brother is also coming. I said, my brother who? He said, Theophilus Sunday. In my mind, I'm like, shit, if she had told me Theophilus Sunday is coming, I won't go. Because why? I like God to be the one to push me out. I don't want to be pushing myself out by myself. No, I don't want it to be like I'm going because of Theophilus Sunday. Now, listen, only for me to go to Jos a day, is it a day or 2 days before the program? I can't pinpoint. Before the program, I called my student. There's no state in this Nigeria that I don't have students. I called my students in Jos. I said, hey, Alpha, I organized people. I went with my equipment. What did I say I can't do? I can't lead prayer. Now prayer, they say I can't lead though. I went with my equipment. I drove my car. I said, this woman is coming from the US. She may not have a car to use. I said, but she may know somebody, no problem. In case they want to run an errand, I will use my car. You have no idea what I did in that program. Let me bust your brain. I did not minister. Do you know why I did not minister? When it was time to pick up Theophilus Sunday, they now told me that there's nobody to know. I said, what? I said, man, where is it? Is it at the airport? It will still land. I drove from the location to the airport 45 minutes. My own fuel to go and pick. I've never met Theophilus Sunday. I greeted him, welcome sir. I didn't even know he was coming with somebody. So I didn't greet that guy. Until we got to the car, I saw that the guy was following. I felt so bad. That hey shit, I go don't downgrade this guy. No. But I counter my loss. We entered car. We drove me and we were gisting. We drove until, and I said, please pause. Let me find out if I should take you to the hotel or I should take you to the church. I'm not the part of logistic manager. Now administration, I can't minister. The way Theophilus Sunday can't minister, and so I can't minister. I called the woman, should I bring Theophilus Sunday to church or take him to the hotel? He said, no, bring him to church first. Let me see him. We drove to church. Let me ask you a question. Have you seen a picture? Do you know, I've met a lot of people. You can never see my picture and another big man people have met. You won't see them on the internet. Everybody's not like me, I understand. People need those things for credibility. I don't need it. I stayed on the background. My point is that I did not minister that day because I was serving Minister Theophilus. Because if I did not do that, there are other things I don't want to say. Because other things happened behind the scene that I did. In fact, Minister Theophilus was taking his bath in the hotel. When they called me that it's my time to minister, I said, I'm sorry, I can't leave. Minister Theophilus is still taking it. But I said, don't come now, you come, you minister. I said, no, I'm sorry, I will stay here. It's not because I love him so much. No, I've seen the loopholes. If I not do this thing now, it go reach time for this guy to minister, things go happen. Are you aware that in that program, I was not the sound engineer, I was not the media director, but I stood in the gap to make sure that everything went. At a point, everybody started reporting to me, sir, this is not working. Sir, how do we get this done? I worked myself for like 3 days. Now, in fact, they invite me to come minister. That's how to be a leader. That's how to be responsible. That's how to do this. But when you keep doing selfish, me, they not call me, I not go. If they don't invite, tell me, say I won't go US now, it's an example. I can't call that lady, hello ma, and please, I'm coming to this table.